Hi, this is Kevin Sub from Concentrus. I want to share the quick tip to create location report that pulls subsidiary full hierarchy. You want to create a report that pulls subsidiary field and the full hierarchy in the location search or transaction search. It would not allow you to pull the full hierarchy of your subsidiary. This is a NetSuite limitation where the location safe search or transaction safe search can only pull the name of the subsidiary assigned for the location. So for example, if we go into the setup and look for the subsidiary, how it's set up. As you can see, there's a full subsidiary that is under headquarters, and then there's a child subsidiary of United States, Canada, United Kingdom, and elimination. So if I create a safe search real quick. Then look for the subsidiary. And even on here, if I go to the subsidiary, I can filter the subsidiary to view filter by the subsidiary and the results. It wouldn't allow you to do so. It's grayed out, as you can see. That's another limitation. So if I can go ahead and preview, as you can see, that it shows the subsidiary, but it doesn't show the full hierarchy from the headquarter level. So one thing that we can do is to work around. You can create a workbook using Suite Analytics. So we'll go ahead and go to Analytics. And we'll be going to the data set from here, and then new data set. Then we'll be choosing location. Once you're at the location, you can look for a subsidiary. And once you click on the subsidiary, there's a name for full name where you can pull it up here. Where you'll show you the full hierarchy of the subsidiary. And also another cool thing about this is that you can also earlier, as you can see, you couldn't filter through the you couldn't make a filter of the subsidiary at the safe search, but you can do so here as well. Then now the Canada will be gone. As you can see, you can filter through that way as well. So I hope you enjoyed this video and help you to pull subsidiary field in full hierarchy in location search using the Suite Analytics. Thank you for watching this video.